My son is absolutely stunned at how cool the new Amazon Glow is. He's been scanning things, drawing, reading, and interacting with a lot of good books and content. He's even improved on his chess skills, and it shows. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit about the Amazon Glow. Let's go. What's up everybody, welcome back to Tech Unafraid. I'm Diego, and here I help you take the fear out of tech. So today we're going to be talking about the Amazon Glow. As you know, in the middle of the pandemic, it has really set us apart when it comes to interaction between grandparents and kids, or even loved ones. We had to do and learn how to do a lot of things long distance. The Glow is a really cool device where the physical meets digital. It allows anyone using it to call somebody else and have them interact with you using this projection-like pad where they can see what you see and also what you do. By using this technology, kids and grandparents alike can get together, see each other, and also interact with one another by reading books, playing games, drawing together, and even solving some cool puzzles. I was a little bit skeptical at first, and it did seem a little bit gimmicky, but once we had it running, it was clear that this would be a device that has some longevity built into it, and it's also super easy to use, where it would allow the kids or anyone else using it to interact with a long distance person and still have a ton of fun while doing that. When you purchase the device, you get 1 year of Amazon Kids Plus, which gives you access to a ton of content from Disney stories to books to games, bedtime stories, and a bunch of other things that allows your kids to take all of that in several different formats, whether it's solving a puzzle or playing a chess game, or even reading books and stories where they're reading the book and some sound effects are getting played, or just really enjoying a bedtime story with someone you love.
One day, Woody called all the toys together and reminded them that the big moving day was coming up soon. Then, he made another announcement. Andy's birthday party has been moved to today. The toys guessed Andy would be getting new toys sooner than they thought.
When you first open your Glow and you start setting it up, it's a super easy process to go through. It took us about 5 minutes to do it. It let you set up your profile on the Glow machine, and also allows you to send this invitation-like text message to the person on the receiving end. They'll be prompted to install the Glow app from their App Store or Google Play Store, and then they can follow the prompts on creating an account. Once that account is created, they can actually call you on the Glow device, or you can call them in order to interact with them. When talking about an Amazon device, there's always this privacy aspect that kind of comes with it. The Glow gives you the ability to use a physical shutter to close the camera and disable its microphones when not in use. The device itself is pretty cool and in a nice touch screen and a solid build all around. The speakers are great and easy to access. Large buttons give kids and parents easy access to all of its controls. Another cool bit that is included is that with the Amazon Kids Plus subscription, your children have access to pretty awesome content, which is safe and age appropriate for them. You don't have to worry about with the stuff that they're accessing, if they're on YouTube hopping from video to video. Everything that's there, it's ready for them and it's age appropriate for them. And the best part is that it does come with your Amazon 2-year worry-free warranty. And if you haven't heard about that, that is a warranty that Amazon gives to some of their devices that if it breaks within 2 years, all you have to do is just send it back to them and they will give you a brand new one for free, no questions asked. So the device does come with the projector, the projection mat, and also the 10-gram bits. These are some puzzle-like little pieces that allow you to create and solve some puzzles, and they come to life when your kids are playing with them. The device is priced at like $249.99 right now if you manage to snag a copy of it by subscribing to their early access program. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for you to try to get one if you're interested. If not, you can purchase one when they are available to the general public for $299.99, I believe, so right at 300 bucks. One of the drawbacks I found with the device though was that it's a bit clunky, it does take some space, so if you want to kind of have it up all the time, you need an appropriate space for it, like some kid's desk where they're not going to be doing a lot of stuff in it, or some other space in your house where it doesn't see a lot of traffic. So you want to put that up and kind of leave it there, right? Unless you want to take it up and down every time. It's a bit clunky and a little bit still on the larger side, but other than that, it did what it was supposed to do. It was a pretty great device and it kept my child busy for a while. Check out this video right here on the side for more information on how you can make sure that your Amazon device at home is kids friendly. As always, if you've enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're so kind, please consider subscribing. It helps the channel a lot. Well, that's about it for this one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'm Diego. See ya.